The Pacific Ocean is a place of wonder that surprises and fascinates many people. The Pacific Ocean got its name from the word Pacifico, which means peaceful in Portuguese. So it got this name because Magellan thought it was peaceful. The Pacific Ocean facts might just do the same for you. So if you want to learn about the largest and deepest place in the world, which can be both scary and breathtaking, keep watching and do subscribe our channel to watch more. Dear viewers, do you know that how deep is the Pacific Ocean? The average depth of the Pacific Ocean is 13,000 feet or 4,280 meters. The Pacific Ocean's max depth, or the deepest place in the world, is 36,200 feet at Challenger Deep, which is located at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. The widest point of the Pacific Ocean is 12,300 miles wide. To understand how wide is this, if we take the moon, for example, 5 moons could fit in the width of the Pacific Ocean. After all, considering the Pacific Ocean is located between Asia and America, the two most distant continents, this wide is not surprising. The Pacific Ocean's size by surface area is 63 million square miles. This means that the Pacific takes 46.6% of all ocean surface. The volume of the Pacific Ocean is also unbelievable, around 50.1% of all ocean water. The average temperature of the Pacific Ocean surface is 70 to 80 Fahrenheit, but the Pacific Ocean's temperature can be as low as 28 Fahrenheit around the north and south poles. Also, the Pacific Ocean is cold around the equator because of the winds pushing surface water from the equator to the western Pacific Ocean. Regardless, since the new research shows that the Pacific Ocean's temperature is rising due to climate changes, the weather and climate in the Pacific Ocean might drastically change. The Antarctic and Pacific Oceans meet at Cape Horn, Chile. They do not actually meet by mix, as all the oceans are a part of one big ocean mass. Research even shows that some of the North Atlantic and Pacific Ocean currents are completely synchronized. The other name for the basin of the Pacific Ocean is the Ring of Fire. The name Ring of Fire for the Pacific Ocean comes from the fact that it has high volcanic activity and a lot of earthquakes. These occur in place where two tectonic plates meet and one goes below the other. Only around 13.8% of the Pacific Ocean floor has been mapped. This number from 2019 counts only the mapping made using recent technology. The scientists are working hard though and there are plans to finish mapping all ocean floors by the end of 2030. The equator separates the Pacific into two parts. North of the equator is the location of the northern Pacific Ocean, while south of the equator is where the southern Pacific Ocean can be found. The Pacific can also be divided into the western Pacific Ocean and eastern Pacific Ocean. Still, these divisions are not so commonly used. The official Pacific Ocean coordinates are approximately -8.78 latitude by 124.50 longitude. Of course, this will lead you to only one small area, and since the ocean is huge, there are many other coordinates. Check out these facts to find out about the animals living in the Pacific Ocean, many of which are either dangerous or endangered. The Pacific bluefin tuna is at less than 5% of the original biomass. It's one of the Pacific Ocean fish most affected by overfishing, as 95% of the tuna caught didn't even have a chance to reproduce. The numbers are now recovering, but they are still very low. On the other hand, some animals like the Pacific Ocean perch have their biomass growing at an incredible speed. The killer whale is the most dangerous animal living in the Pacific Ocean. Some other animals that also live in the Pacific, such as the Pacific Ocean jellyfish, are also quite dangerous. A few jellyfish species are so venomous they can kill you very quickly and easily. Pacific Ocean sharks are also considered to be quite scary. Still, statistics show they are not as dangerous as we think, and you are unlikely to get attacked by one. The Pacific Ocean's basin is about 200 million years old. The rocks found on the bottom were approximately that old, making the Pacific the oldest ocean. So the Pacific Ocean is the largest, deepest, widest and oldest ocean, and one of the most interesting places in the world. So with all its wonders, it's not a surprise that many people are fascinated by it. With so many interesting Pacific Ocean facts that we covered here, we are sure you will appreciate it and even more. So if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.